Okay, so now we've drilled our deep hole here, which is going to help spray the water, but we do need a 2mm hole in the center and in the center at the bottom. Now we don't need to punch the top because we've already got a hole from our bit from before, but we will extend that down with a 2mm drill, and we do need to pop a little hole in the bottom there. So again, we will use our punch to mark our spot and a small tap, and that just stops our drill from wandering when we go to drill. Now we could hold this in our hand, but my experience is it's not a good idea because when you put a drill bit through your finger, it hurts a little bit. So we're going to use our drill press again, our drill press vise, and we'll just clamp it in so it's nice and steady, and that way we can have our hands right away from anywhere that we could be into trouble. So in the drill chuck here, I have a 2mm drill. Now we need to be careful with these, they will snap quite easily. We'll make sure we're in the forward position, so this button here needs to be pushed across, and we should now be able to line up, hand away, drilling down our 2mm, our 2mm hole. So we've gone in a fair way, and that's where we're going to later on put our hardware for our fishing line. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Remember, we didn't need to punch on this side because we already had the hole started, and we're just going to drill down yet again into there. So now we have our two holes for our hardware, one in the middle at the front, one in the tail at the back, and we'll be using this later as we shape down our popper.